आज ऑल इंडिया पेरेंट एसोसिएशन ने हिंदुस्तान के प्राइम मिनिस्टर श्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी को एक लेटर लिखा है जिसमें ये मांग करी है कि एक ऑर्डिनेंस लाइए तुरंत, जिसके अंदर आप ये लिखिए कि प्राइवेट स्कूल्स जो हैं वो पेरेंट्स से जो है इस पेंडेमिक और जब तक स्कूल बंद हैं जो है वो जो है ट्यूशन फ़ी के अलावा कोई पैसा ना लें। और इस ऑर्डिनेंस में आप ट्यूशन फ़ी भी डिफाइन करिए, और ये ट्यूशन फ़ी जो है इट इज़ मेंट फॉर टीचर्स और दूसरे स्टाफ के जो सैलरीज का है पैसा है वो उनको मिलना चाहिए। तो मैं आई वुड लाइक टू रीड इट टू यू दिस लेटर। और इसमें हमने लिखा है, सर, all schools countrywide are closed from March 2020 onwards due to pandemic and lockdown and are not likely to be opened in current academic year. Entire economy has shattered. Jobs have gone. Incomes have disappeared. People are not getting employment or re-employment. Parents' financial condition have become so bad they are finding themselves unable to pay private school fee of their wards. We are conscious of the fact that teachers and other staff working in private schools depend on school fee for the purpose of their salaries. We are always in favor of payment of salaries to the teachers and other staff despite the fact that these schools are not paying them due salaries. It is parents' compulsion to continue their ward in private schools as government schools are not performing. Taking advantage of this situation, private schools countrywide are exploiting hapless parents by subjecting them to pay exorbitant fees. Unfortunately, schools are run on a commercial basis and governments have failed to check them. Even during pandemic, when schools are closed, schools are pressurizing the parents to pay full fee, and in many cases, schools have even hiked the fee. Parents are restless and worried. They have no money to pay school fee. However, during the closure of the schools, parents are willing to pay tuition fee only, which is meant to pay salaries to the teachers and other staff. Schools are adamant to charge full fee. It is submitted that the schools are not justified. In the present prevailing situation, central government has a constitutional duty to resolve fee issues and extend relief to the millions of hapless parents. An ordinance by central government is immediately needed. The ordinance should limit on payment of school's fee to tuition fee only during closure of the school. The ordinance may also define tuition fee to avoid any confusion. You are therefore requested to immediately bring an ordinance mandating all unaided private schools countrywide to not to demand more than tuition fee from parents during the period of closure of schools in the current pandemic. Tuition fee may also be defined in the said ordinance. ये लेटर अपने प्रधानमंत्री जी को भेज दिया है, और मैं चाहूँगा कि हमारे जितने भी यूनिट्स हैं ऑल इंडिया पेरेंट एसोसिएशंस के कंट्री वाइड, वो जो है इसी तरीके का एक एंडोर्समेंट करके जो है वो प्राइम मिनिस्टर को भेजें, और अपने यहाँ भी जो है स्टेट में इस मुद्दे को जो है चर्चा में लाएं और एक प्रेशर क्रिएट करें प्रधानमंत्री ऑफिस के ऊपर कि वो इस तरीके का ऑर्डिनेंस निकालें। मुझे लगता है कि अगर इस तरीके का एक ऑर्डिनेंस निकलता है तो ये बहुत बड़ा रिलीफ होगा। थैंक यू वेरी मच।